Omo gasomu ya omurigerere bwegeteseni kia Ndizi TV chinga kichingia na indego kwaregania asemesa Amayia Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere elio twimanye nara ria yagendete gokoreka ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii na Kenya engima chitariki 25 ne momutenyino yo gatatu mwaka w'ekiri w'Ibere na 23 chinga kibonoko rwa sensemo ya buchura nigo obwibi bwa korekira se kanisa ya Masagara PAG egotoka sa sublocation ya Mwamosioma abo asaba ibi abo baiba ebinto byengencho gati yabo obwibi bw'ekigasi chispika amone binto binde binge kolendo mwancho muligereria ayonto kwareganerie asamangana itamaya Chinsa chikobwatia kolende na kwareganeria talimake asenchera yobwenge asabali bagotobwate wetera senchera yemitandao tonyole Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsemo ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na ende na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News nkoira nande asegekeke kirobosyo agaran kumenya yuno ayo manaenda mange asenchera yobwenge. Ncheni ngonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita na ende tigatoya chake korwa ase bunge ya bobasi ase skuru yoboroso ya Nyamira abo ase kyombegia Top Talent Agency korwa sense America kiaruro bokonyi webinto byenge nchogo cha ase skuru eyo gati abo chi computer amone binto binde binge nigaba bwatani abo korwa ase kyombekyo ya Top Talent Agency bakwanene bitaseni byekinyomba cyobaralia gati yabigetaseni kya Ndizi TV asibate biri bagucha kogendera kuruo bokonyi wike skuru eyo yatwalire birange bya byogosomera nigo boigo babulire kubwaterana kurwa soboteneri bwe skuru eyo unencherema yo gokinya ebirengo obyekisemi.
Fagan, president of Top Talent Agency, here with clients and friends. They are business owners themselves, and we are doing another Kenya keynote tour where we're visiting universities, high schools. We're going out and doing service projects, and that's a little bit of what we're doing here today at this village. We've also brought in water tanks to nearby communities, and we continue to bring in other business owners, other entrepreneurs with give back programs. We are unveiling the next gift, and we are making a big donation and supporting the technology here, and we're not releasing all the details of just that because we'll be doing that soon.
So we're here to spread the word, but really to inspire, to shake the hands with a lot of people, look into their eyes, tell us, hey, we love you, you love us, we're here to help you. We're here to lend a helping hand to people that...
Nigo bana bateneria abo baigora egeita ekibaru tobokonya se skuru ya Nyamira Kenya areko bagekorosi watchinga kibono kya erire ekeroba kigoire beno muliketo mangana maya Mildred Momanyi na ara sensemeyo achigotumenya yo manayanda mange asenchira yo boikirano gotigana na yobono mwanchu muligereria chinga ki aboroki wakorwa se chiskuru au baswa gosekoirana korwa sumutimo komoke o halftime nigo bono abande bali nebirero au mono korwa se ensemo ya Nyatare gotoka meya bali chache county ya Kisii nigo mworoki woyo mogo soma sekerasi yeikomi ale no bwoba wikabono taranyara ko baga kwirana ase skuru ekiagera yobole merwa bwe school fees nigo bono arule ekerokia ego cha saba konyi go sabanto bali no moyo muya komokonya gokora school fees yetigarete ekiagera niga guche goseriwa na isa kogenda nigo baiga baibuli baye barule okoboli okuoko go cha sabanto bo gwanchokuya kobakonya gosiro mwana obo ekiagera nigo bamenyete asibirengo byobutaka bole igoro na igo mwana obo atairaneti ase skuru nigo arache kweswanania amono bosalia egento kerairere bono ogosira kwaye nigo barure okobolia abanta baya wesokia elio gokonya amateyo kurwa sensemo ya Nyataro.
Nde form 2 amasege SDS secondary school une toigorte school togete school tukairan go efi balance kor magana ro etara kanu wakane 3000 na remedium bate na to kan nche ntonda sabe no bokon ngenda na masomo ndi njego yakoneka
uyo bono form 2 nero bwato bokong obole meru bugabeire ndu amosometi yake gatukaruchi besa chinke sana sinigeri butatu bona ndwanya tose liwo chaka
Murikito bano bo mangana Amayia Josephat Hamisi nagendete kubwata roboti ruo mworo kigwabu na gusaba bokonyi no kugena waito buna bantu mbatoke na wesokia elyo kumurwera school fees otigana ayo bano ngoikie ase county ya Siaya abwasomo bunge bwensemo ya Ugenya David Odhiambo atebire taligo chia gotiga komo chia bo mabwazimio lo moja wan Kenya bokora wana Raila Amolo Odinga amona baraibande kiagera barobe kanirie amandamano no korobekana asense ya Kenya kulingana na Odhiambo nigatebire chinga kichyokorwa bokoreri gochia saba Kenya asaba igabuli Raila Odinga gotigana na mandamano eliyokoleta amorembe asense ya Kenya nigarenge ase county eyo ya Siaya ase bunge ya Ugenya chinga kiali korwa chibasari gochia se chiskuru au
if in building my political path we clash with him, so be it. So be it. Nitaongea kama mbaya mbaya, kama sawa sawa. Because everyone lives their life once. Because it's our age, it's our time. It's our time, it's not his time. His time is long past. Kama unaandamana kwa sababu ya chakula, unaandamana kwamba chakula hakuna, na chakula natoka kwa shamba. Siku mwe nanyesha wewe unaacha shamba unaenda maandamano.
Chinga kiecho ni gomo senator korwase county ya Siaya Oburu Odinga nera moboldi umaraibwense Dr. William Ruto gotwara chinkwana gati aya na Raila Odinga na kero kendo nyakabwato bobe na Odinga anyariko baga kumuimokeri getambukiro keli chiko na gotiga kuna kurutera na Chinsa se ase mesangerekano au imeyense ya Kenya kolengana na Oburu nigagoteba nere bya abarai goisaransanse na koliyali chibuli aba Kenya ekiagera kero murai nigabwate kerengekia gochia saba Kenya.
Raila has committed an offense as a Kenyan. Let the president charge him. Let him be taken to a court of law and let us know which offense Raila has committed against the constitution or against the laws of Kenya. And we shall be satisfied with that.
Mwanchu muligereria kuruabuo goikase county ya Nairobi abwa sensemo yabarai bechikanisa Ukorwase kanisa ya Kenya Methodist Church imeye county ya Nairobi bagendrete gutwaro kongusana no gotindi igoro yoboteneneri bwe kanisa yo nigo bamamwachiri mo Bishop Joseph Ntombura asoko gendra kobera bisi nonya chinga kichae cyo bokorari goika omwelyo niga etanirie geka miaka Ibere maega yoko baso boteneneri ase geka miaka 10 bono asibatebire nigo baganetie asoke eli banyore mo Bishop Amayia yora gendereria kanisa yo ya Kenya Methodist Church imeye county ya Nairobi.
Congregations and circuits under MCK Nairobi Synod will not be accountable to the conference until the current stalemate surrounding the top leadership of our church is resolved.
We have no problem with any other synod, neither do we have a problem with our conference office. Our only issue is the continued stay of Reverend Ntombura in the office of the presiding bishop long after his term ended.
He become magnanimous and just vacate so that we can have somebody else in the office. That is the only way that the hearing process.
Ensemo ya baraibe chikanisa na babuatani au korwase byombe biri kwegerera oboene bwa mwanya bantu litukole igoro nigo beso getie abwase bagendete kugikeria engana ya LGBTQ asense ya Kenya eyue kigambere kenene kyanyarako ba kewanchera bune kyombekyo kenyarako ba gekolikiwa imeyense ya Kenya kolengana na baraya bunigo batebire eyone mbwa embe na kogenda mamincha yo gochika kwa Nyasaye asoboiga baraya bwo korwase byombe au bagi keire ngana igoro yabasubati amona banyaroka korusia marito gose abortion asabate biremna kolengana ne katiba yense ya Kenya kero monto ni gabwato boene bwokoba moyo.
Stopping this ill-mannered thing the LGBTQ, we are not going to live and see the generation to come.
Last year we were able to save 80 babies from abortion, 80 babies and women from abortion. And I don't only stand for myself. There are many organizations here, crisis pregnancy centers here, many pregnant girls, teen girls here who've come to work to say that a baby is not just a blob of tissue, it is a live human being in the womb that is growing.
And we are urging the government, we are urging the relevant bodies in the country to make sure that families are protected. The natural family that is between a man and a woman and a child is protected.
No mabunge o Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro nigesokire na gukwanera igoro yengana y'umuraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga eyo akwana buna asa maandamano no korobekana korobereire lituko lya ankyo asense ya Kenya nigensemo ya barai koro asorongoro Mount Kenya bakora wano mokonyi b'umuraiwe Nserigade Gachagua omubunge okikuyu Kimani Ichung'wa amono yo Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro na nigo barobereti guchegoswana na koleta obosalia ase amandamano kolengana na Ndindi Nyoro niga muboliro muraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga anyare ko baga kurenda chinkwana chiaye na gotebe chitali chinga kicho koleta chiburaburu asabaiga tebire erebuno murai niga gendrete kubekemero bili bwikiranu unana kia koleta amagenderero asaba menyi bakiharu asabaiga boliri abarai bonsi kogendera kolengereria magenderero Natalia mandamano ayuaro bereire korwa mabwazimio la umoja One Kenya.
If you have to say something, you need to learn to say credible things. Number one, we are not fearing you. We are neither fearing your allegations. Sisi, kama vile tulikueleza wakati ya campaign, sisi ni watoto ya maumau. Hutatutisha na maandamano, na tukasema vizuri sana, hatujabeba watoto kwa mgongo. Hakuna Mkenya hapa ati anaogopa mtu. The reason why we don't go around shouting is because we respect our country. That is the only reason. The only reason we don't go to maandamano, we are busy tunaweka madarasa tiles, we are busy launching programs that will benefit the people of Kenya. Hatukuogopi. So ukiona tumekaa hatuogopi wewe. Na sasa nilisikia unasema tunakupagia. Let me just tell you the truth. Yes, we are fighters, we are mau. But we choose which battles to engage in. We don't fight those kind of battles, charlatan battles. We fight real battles, like the one that was there in August. Sio hii ya kurusha mawe bili tatu. So kama unapangiwa, sisi, kama ni kupanga, hata hatugekaa watu watatu kukupagia. Mmoja peke yetu ya hao wote ulitaja, mmoja tu. Hakuwa na need kuita mkutano pahali. Mtu mmoja anakuweza na maandamano.
Mwanju muligereria gwikira bwonongo ikira omwelio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge kurinde na inde amange chikoraga Chinsa 10 chemaragoba ya bono tumira na igaiga semesa ya Amayia egere nkumanyia yo maranda mange asenchira yo bwenge to wakangambia mona sabali mwensi mogende tukutubwate gwetera asenchira ye mitandao Facebook ya Ndizi TV News Digital tinga kindoje Joseph Otuke Bernard Barake Rebecca Magara, Olentiti Boniface Ondari, Dolphin Mora, Abel Cliff, atia banda bange bali kira na gotebanga mbagenda tukubwati mangana Amayia asenchira yo bwenge mobaisa gutiga kurigereria Ndizi TV kyagera na bubwansu bumugusii olia atobwaterana komo kwene kyabuna chibicha amariogi agwikeire asore asenchira yo bwikirano kigima nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita tuarubuligereria burubya ime ya Ndizi TV.